PJ by name. See, I own this company. This is one of my cars. The smallest out of my exotic car. I just came here to check one of my staff just to know their well-being, not to go far. I just want us to, you know what I mean now. You are a mature girl, you know what I mean.
Anyways, I came to stay inside of the area and I don't give up my number to a stranger.
It's a free world, you can call. It's a free world, let's just call.
Hello, PJ, why did you come to your office?